Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Randy here bringing you guys my first YouTube video. And in this one, we're going to be talking about Nvidia stock, ticker symbol NVDA. And as you can see here, this stock is currently sitting at around $615. This company has been going absolutely crazy, absolutely ham the last year and a half. And sorry if my mic quality is a little trash. I will be getting a new mic and updating that real soon. But as you guys can see down here, so Nvidia is at 615 and their market cap is at 1.52 trillion, 1.5 trillion. That is absolutely insane. It's one of the biggest 5 companies now, and I really think this company has more room to grow. With earnings growth and the demand for the H100, I think Nvidia is going to keep flying. And this is a 5-minute chart. As you can see, it's almost about to close. It's at 358, so that the market actually does close in 2 minutes. And this is how the chart's going to be closing. It's going to be closing at 615, but I like to use the daily and the weekly chart. Those are the best charts that I feel give me the best indicators to what is going to happen next. And Nvidia has clearly broken out of this $500 range. Honestly, let's go first on the weekly, and then we'll come down to the daily. So as you can see here on the weekly, we broke out over here, down here at $300 last year in May. One day. That lasted nothing. Then we consolidated from here to 400, 500 for 7 months. Every time we'll go to almost 500, come down, touch 500, come back down to 400, go up, come back down, go up. I remember this one down here. We came down to exactly $450. And then we came here, and then the breakout came January, like 2-3 weeks ago with the CES event. Boom, an absolute breakout. And Nvidia, boom, the next week just kept going, and it's been consolidating around here like $600 like it did here around the 400s. But this is absolutely crazy. This 300 level looks like the 500s, no memory. And then if you come down to the daily, now this is where it gets interesting. Here is where we could be seeing a little pullback. Honestly, I don't know up to where, but I think 600. Obviously, 600 is going to be the next psychological level. And then if we actually give up 600, I could see us going down to the bottom of this wick around 580 to 590, 585s. This range right here will be my next target, honestly. If you're looking for an entry play on Nvidia stock, the next good entry would be around here. That is if we give up this $600 level. Let me draw a trend line. This $600 level over here, going to be some clear support. Give or take, that's the line, $600. If we give that up, I would honestly wait for a position down here around 685, 680, give or take. Because honestly, I don't see Nvidia giving up this whole run. Unless the market does start to pull back. Which Jerome Powell actually spoke today, so that could be a possibility. Then in that case, we'll have to see where Nvidia goes. And look, the market just actually closed, and Nvidia stock closed at 615. So for the next few days, I could see Nvidia stock ranging around 600 to 630. It's here. It's high up here. So this is going to be the next range for Nvidia stock that I feel. Let's move this little trend line up here. This range right here from $600 to 615. And then if we stop consolidating around here and give this line up, let me zoom it in a little bit more. If we give this up, I would wait for an entry at 685. So entry plays on Nvidia stock, 685 and 600. My personal opinion. Now let's look at some bull cases. So honestly, it's going to be very hard to find a bull case on Nvidia stock because this is just a line going up. So whoever tells you that is just lying. But honestly, we would just have to throw psychological levels at 650 and obviously 700. Yes, that sounds crazy, but Nvidia stock is on a freaking roll. So we'll throw a trend line at 700. We can move, well, let's leave that range in there. We can move that one up now to 650. This would be the next places for Nvidia stock to go, 650 into 700. We'll have to see tomorrow with Amazon, Meta, and who else reports? Amazon, Meta, and Apple. Ooh, how could I forget? So with those 3 earnings tomorrow, we're going to see what's going to be possible. And yeah, guys, let's just see and wait what Nvidia stock brings to us. I really do see a lot of long play opportunities in this stock and in the whole market in general. So let's just wait. And if you guys can, leave a like, subscribe. This is my first video, and I look forward to making more for you guys. Thank you. Peace out.